See, breeze gone with the bag. Oi! Yeah, be a big carrot. Watch out. Please. Yes, sir. You come with me. I make your look stay, you look. I make your look stay. I now move with your look.
You're pretty nice.
Thanks.
You're black and good.
Yeah. Black is beautiful. Right about now, current situation heading to the market right now, so I grab some stuff for the market. So that I could lay upon the Portmore toll, I go through and things. Let's go and stay tuned. The sun is hot out here. It's a good thing. I'm talking about a top, I did for top it up. So I go still. Beautiful day. Yes, so this is the Portmore toll road. Heading downtown Kingston right about now. Yeah. Fully outside there now. Breeze a blow. Nice, cool breeze a blow. So the place is stay. Yeah man. So town will stay cool and nice. So out up on the street, we'll walk through. Maybe we'll buy up on the road, I'm not sure still. But let's see. Yeah, breeze a blow. Breeze a blow heavy down here.
Buy a t-shirt go to your husband.
Oh man, my husband good man, now want a t-shirt.
Look on them style, $400 now. You see, show me an idiot. They don't know what me going to do.
Everything in the market, yeah. Sweet sugar cane. I pour another ginger then. Ginger. Cocoa then begin. You want cocoa? I saw a breeze that terrible down here, man. You see, breeze gone with the bag. Oi! Yeah, be a big carrot. Watch out. Please. Yes, sir. You come with me. I make your look stay, you look. I make your look stay, I now move with your look. Move with our look, you know. Two for me, yeah, boy. Alright, one pound of scallion. Scallion on time. Whole front out, you know? Watch it. Chop all in them and blow up in the market. So I get some scallion now. Get 1 pound, 250 a pound. Nice tomato here. Beetroot over here. Yeah.
What you want, darling?
1 pound, 1 pound. Yeah, man.
You want time?
Yeah, man, time to. You are going.
Yeah. Juice time.
Stay there, can go back a plan. Some of them buy now, you know.
It take too long to do it.
Then I won't get it. I grow it, did have to grow it, you get it.
Them already plant already.
Yeah, so.
Irish onion 120. 120 onion, Irish carrot.
Hey, how much is sweet pepper?
From tomato price, $1.50. From $5 pound to tomato. From tomato $50.
Just for the beetroot, you never remember.
$50 tomato.
Watch the beetroot.
$50 tomato, $50. From tomato price, $50 tomato, $100 carrot. Come on and put the carrot $100 carrot 100. Come string beef $100.
You want to make some soup in there?
Snow come to Jamaica tomorrow?
Snow come to Jamaica tomorrow. Want some soup in there so you kids them. Keep them body warm. 100 a pound your pumpkin. Irish 100.
You may
100, Irish 100. I go and look for 2 pound. So 300 give me 270.
my 2 bills Bob chai.
I'm off here, baby. Bob chai 100. Carrot 100. Pumpkin 100. Irish 100. Remember, snow come to Jamaica tomorrow. Want some snow in the house. See you. Pumpkin 100. Carrot 100, mommy. Snow come to Jamaica tomorrow. Pumpkin and Irish. Soup of the house with kids, you know. 100 your 6 pepper. 100 your carrot. 100 your pop chop.
$100 market.
Pumpkin $100. $100 more than that?
Yeah.
So that'll be 300 baby, the whole is. So that's 500, alright?
Yeah.
Alright, so you're 1500, alright?
Yes.
Alright. $100 lady, local. You got me yard. Snow come to Jamaica tomorrow. We want to go soup in the house, give kids them. Keep $150 a pound. Pop chop $100. Look at this right. $100. Look at that right. Check the change.
Get your aim line up, you know.
Give me pop show and die bottom.
Kind of under bottom of the pan, so.
Don't look at bottom, mommy.
You know what kind of bottom she talk about, yeah.
You pop chop money to end.
Chop, yeah.
No bottom around here, mommy.
Put my one eye back. Put my one eye back.
Carrot 100, Irish 100, mommy.
Yeah, they are throw it down up on the street. Alright, so finish up with market and things, so just head on, I know, what to car and thing, and head on. Let me just show you few little stuff them buy, and all the plastic me buy. I buy all the plastic. Yeah man, so then I carry on, just get myself a grape water, I think a can water, a grape water. Remember, like the video if you're not yet subscribed to the channel. I don't know where you wait, but please consider subscribing to the channel. If you watch the video until this time, that means you love what I got. So big up. 2 subscribers made on the road. I never get their name, then just yell me up and see. No big up on yourself. A youth and one lady. 2 different persons, 2 different places I see them. And I book one of them a second time. I said, that'll be again. Big up yourself. Yeah man. Big up all my subscribers and I get outside. So we're going to get to the pop choy. Ginger. about sweet pepper. You know, sweet pepper them never on price now, so I'm not buying no. Only this. It's I call this thing again. Sorry, I don't want to buy some. Sorry. Yeah. Onion. Garlic. Scallion and thyme. Scallion and thyme. Carrot there. Garlic. Yeah, so only first thing I'm today. I drink a bag juice, then I mark that. Much for orange? Much for orange? I want to sell orange. Yes, orange, man. Sweet, sugar belly orange. Much a dozen?
4, 5, and 8.
Alright. Give me a 4 bills. Give me a 4 bills. Give me a 5 bills. Let me see what 5 bills are. That's right there. Alright, so I'm gonna get some. Oh, mister. So I'm there in the market here today and I get some fruits. I'm buy 1 dozen orange already and thing. And watermelon looking good. Where's the God? Oh, so I look one maybe go on 5 pound or so. 7 pound. 7 pound or $700.
You're pretty nice.
Thanks.
You're black and good.
Yeah. Black is beautiful. This guy closes. This look like show and buy coconut. You buy coconut? That when I take such a greenish one. We are going to buy. Yeah, you should buy. We don't take the giant one that look green. Rice and peas more. Well, do you think then?
But if you want island and rice and peas, you take a giant one.
How about you? What you say? Oh.
1 pound tomato, $100. 1 pound tomato.
The beetroot there. Yeah, fully outside, you know. The downtown Kingston. Yeah, I grab a few stuff and thing. Oh, actual. Just buy, you know. Store here, just buy, you know.